Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. Yeah, me. How y'all doing? It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. Well, now, guess what? I have this. You know what I'm saying? Enclave 2020 ST 3.6 liter engine. And I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. And it's only right that I show you how to do the oil life reset. Yeah, I mean, keep it to a Hana. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't stress it enough. I'm gonna say it again. 90% of the viewers, haven't subscribed. So what you waiting for? Destroy the subscribe button, please. Destroy it. Hit it. And bang the like button also. Don't forget to put the feedback in the comment box for me. Know what I'm saying? Alright, and I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'm gonna show you how to do this thing, alright? Real quick. Come with me. Stu. Hey, what? Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. Yeah, I mean, I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this Buick 2020 Enclave. And now I'm going to show you how to do the oil life reset. Before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Alright, Buick, made by GM. Now you know. Alright, oil life reset. Car is running right now. I'm saying you're gonna see that. You're gonna see any message. Just press this guy to dismiss. Okay, press it to dismiss. Now you there, right? All you're gonna do is scroll to the right or left. Let's go to the right. Now you see that one? Information. That's the oil life. It's gonna tell you the tires and all that. It also tells you the life of the air filter. Wow, ain't that nice? Okay, we're here to reset the oil life. Now here, oh, you see these options or information if you scroll down. But we're gonna do the oil life reset now. It tells you right there, press the check button to reset it. And that's what we're gonna do. Just press it. Let's press it and hold it. Alright. And there you go. This is how you reset the oil life in this 2020 Buick Enclave 3.6 liter engine, V6 VVT, is it? Yep, that's pretty much it. Alright, I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it helped you. It was helpful for your project, and that's it. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and feedback put in the comment box for me. Catch you up later. Holla at your boy Astuo Burum. Hey, what? Hey.